everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to sit down and show you guys everything I've been loving in the month of March. So I have fashion favorites, beauty favorites, what else? Pretty much just a whole pile of stuff that I've been loving over the month of March. So let's get right into it. Starting off with some shoe favorites. So my first pair are these black and white ADIDAS shoes, and these are the Gazelle style shoes, sneakers, whatever you want to call them. Really go with everything because they're black and white. Yeah, and I've been loving these. I've been wearing them so much over the past month. Definitely a staple, and I highly recommend these. And the other favorite pair of shoes that I've been wearing a lot are the simple, basic, high top, all white Converse. I mean, these are once again a staple. They go with everything. Just plain white. Mine are not white anymore. Mine are like brown. They're so dirty. But they're really easy to clean, which is nice. Just throw them in the wash. Yeah, I've been wearing these a lot. I think they, once again, go with everything, and there is people in your closet. So moving into clothes, the first item I have is this jacket here. So it's just a dark wash blue denim jacket with this like Sherpa, like a fur kind of collar. So I actually picked this jacket up at a thrift store. It was just a plain denim jacket, and then I added on this color myself, and I love the kind of like 80s Stranger Things vibes going on here. So yeah, I've been wearing this a ton. The next item that I've been loving this month are these pants here, and I got these from a thrift store back in I think like December, and they're just these black and white like plaid stripe kind of pants. I pretty much wear these with anything, like a black or white sweater, or even some color, because they are just like black and white. But yeah, they fit really well, and I don't know what else to say about them. I love them. The next item I've been wearing a lot this month is this sweater here. This is from H&M. It's just a black and white knitted sweater. It fits really well. It definitely has a nice like weight to it, and it's just like really high quality. This is like a great staple, and I've been loving this so much. My next pair of pants that I have are these black high-waisted mom jeans. These are from TOPSHOP. Honestly, I'm kind of mad about these. I didn't really get my size, so they're a little bit big, a little bit short. I don't know why I did this to myself, but they're really cute, other than the fact that they're too short and too big. It's really not a big deal. I'll just like wear a belt, and they look super cute with anything. The last fashion favorite that I have is this huge sweater here. It's pretty much a big oversized black turtleneck sweater. This pairs well with pretty much anything. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it collects so much fluff, but other than that, it's really cute, and I love this sweater. And I'm kind of sad because it's starting to get a little bit warmer out, and this is definitely like a heavy duty, like sheet thick. So those are all of my fashion favorites. Moving on to beauty favorites. My first item is this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. I have the normal and sensitive skin one. I've been using this a lot in March because in February, for some reason, I started breaking out to my old makeup wipes. They're like those blue, like basic bitch Neutrogena ones. Do you know what I'm talking about? They worked really well. I used those for like a year, and then out of nowhere I just started breaking out to them, and I started to get like kind of like a rash more than like actual pimples on my face. It was pretty bad. So I started using this one here, and this cleanses, removes makeup, and soothes your skin. So it's great. Like I'll put this on a cotton pad, put it all over my face, and it takes off my makeup, cleans it, whatever. Like it's a good product. I don't know, works well for my skin. So highly recommend this. I've been loving it. I don't know about you guys, but my hair gets so greasy so fast, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'll literally wash it. The next day it's like fine, and then the day after that it's like disgusting, and literally I could fry an egg in it. It's so I've been using this a lot this month. It is the Batiste. Is that how you pronounce it? Batiste? It's a dry shampoo, and this is in the scent Coconut and Exotic Tropical, and it smells so good, and it actually works really well too. So I'll use this when my hair is looking a little crusty, and spray it in there, and it smells good. Yeah, win-win. My skin gets really dry in the winter too. I'm just a mess. So to help with my dry skin, I've been using the COCO SHEA Coconut Body Lotion from Bath & Body Works. I also use the body wash in the shower, and it's really hydrating on your skin, and it smells so good. Basically, between these two products, I just smell like a pina colada, and I love it. My last beauty favorite has been Let me just, okay. Basically, I have really dry lips. Oh my god, I'm a mess. I'm like, oh, I have oily hair and dry lips and dry skin and dry... So I've been using Vaseline. This is like the best lip balm. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care if you like soft lips or Carmex or the lip balm. No, this wins 100%. I have 4. I have 2 little guys and then a medium size and a big one. So Vaseline all the way. This month I have been reading this book here, The Sun and Her Flowers, and honestly, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm not like crazy into like poems and stuff like that, but definitely like the poetry in here is amazing. If you're looking for something new to read, definitely recommend this one. It's a really good book. Something else I've been loving over the month of March has been this here. This is my camera that I've been using to vlog, and if you guys didn't see my closet makeover, you need to go watch it right now. Fake fan. This is the Nikon 35X, wait, COOLPIX A900. There's like 2 names on this. I don't know what it is, but I'll link it down below if you guys want a good vlog camera. Actually, pretty decent quality. So yeah, I've been using this a lot and pretty much just bringing it with me everywhere I go. Day in the life of a daily vlogger, what can I tell you, you know? And my last favorites are my music favorites. So I have them on my phone. I'm just gonna like play them for you guys. I use Spotify. Sorry, Apple Music, not a fan. I'll link my Spotify below if you guys are interested in like maybe, I don't know, like following me. I have like 2 followers. So yeah, I have a couple songs on my playlist. This is my March playlist. I'll just play them for you guys and enjoy.
Lips meet teeth and tongue. My heart skips 8 beats at once. If we were meant to be, we would have been by now.
Loving is easy, you have me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. I don't want your walls straight. Don't got no degree. It's been a long season through all this running through. Oh, nothing, no, I said that nothing else would ever be the same. She was so good at being in trouble. So
So that is everything I've been loving for the month of March. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, maybe like, I don't know, give it a thumbs up. Refresh the page a couple times. Give me a couple views. Up to you. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!